Hey everyone, it's Laurel here from Forever Purple Creations, and I wanted to come on and show you my finished stick pin wall hanging, um, or my stick pin holder that is a wall hanging from Rosie Posie Kits that I finished on Sunday, and of course I had no internet for a couple days, so I am on here to show it to you today. Um, I have to stand up to do this because it's too big to film at my desk. So if it's a little shaky or a little crooked, I apologize. So I will give you a full. So I added a dowel rod to it and it's hanging from a ribbon. And then I put the lace that came in the kit, I folded it over and put it onto the back and then covered it with another piece of lace. And then I'll bring it all the way down and show you the whole thing. Again, this is going to be a little shaky. So that's the bottom, and I added a dangle and then another little lace underneath. And then I took the beautiful wedding applique trim that came in the kit, and because mine is a wall hanging, I didn't want to put it on the back because it would never show. So I cut out part of it and ran it all across the bottom here and let it hang off on that end and let it hang off on this end. And then I folded up a piece of mine and I sewed it on each side so that it's a big pocket. And then I took a trim and ran it across here and some small pearl trim. Pearl, what is this called? Oh my God, here goes my brain. You know what I'm talking about, that thin pearl stuff on a strand. Now I'm gonna laugh because it makes me think of something every time this happens. But anyway, you probably couldn't even see that. But yes, there's a thin um, beaded pearl trim running across here, and then another trim with pearls hanging from it. So then on here, these are the appliques that came in the kit. And I backed them all with felt, and then I added some bling to the sides of it, and then put a pin, one of the stick pins in it. You were able to make 5 stick pins. I made a couple extra with my own stuff, but it does make 5 stick pins plenty, with plenty of beads on each one. So that's one. And then over on the other side, I put the other one, and again, it's backed with felt, so you can stick the stick pin behind. I kind of just stuck it through the front there. And then this one's also got the bling on it, and that's my other stick pin that I made. So there's one, and I don't know if you saw the stick pin. And then this one, I tried to color coordinate them a little bit. I think that's how she had intended it. So then if you come up, I took the laces, the long laces that were in here in the 2 colors, and I did cut them up. So I put one along the side here and one along the side here. And then the other ones I cut up and just kind of put them together with the little loopy things. So this is a pocket up here. It's just got the pins in it right now, so you can't see it, but it is a pocket. And this one is also a pocket. And then I took more of the wedding applique and cut out the 2 flowers that match this lace perfectly and just put it on here on that side. I'm sorry for this being shaky, but it's very hard to hold this and show it to you at the same time and watch my computer. And then one on this side. And then I put more stick pins in here. And then the butterfly applique also came in the kit. And I just took some little bitty bling and blinged up my butterfly all the way around. And it's 2 things. You can see it back there. And it's backed with felt as well. And then stuck this beautiful stick pin in the center. And this is one that I made with the stuff that came in the stick pins as well. And then this one I took, this is a applique that I had, and I just think it fit on here really nice, and it's beautiful. It's got beads in it and the lace. And it's got sequins all running through here, so there you can see it. It's really pretty, so I just think it looked really nice on there. And then here's my other stick pins. I did this one all in white, and then this one in whites and pinks, and then added just a very colorful stick pin to the center. And then this was the 3rd applique that came in, and I backed this one with felt and put it right in the middle. And then across the top, I took that pink lace and ran it across, and then this, I call it like a paisley or a teardrop, and ran it all the way across. And then I put some iridescent flowers. I don't know if you can see them. They are iridescent. They change colors all the way across. And then I took the thin lace that had the ribbon running through it and just ran it down each side up here. And then across here, I put another really thin lace, a really thin one, and then I put little flat back pearls singly all the way across the whole thing. So that's the front. I'd show you the back, but then this curtain I have up here will fall, and the back is just this color, this pink that was on the whole back. And then it's got a piece of that pink lace covering up the things for the hanger. And then I added, on the bottom. So that is my stick pin wall hanging using Rosie Posie's kit, or Rosie Posie Kits from Miss Rose Alcala. And I think it turned out absolutely gorgeous. And I already gave this away to somebody. I actually gave it to my sister because she actually loves stick pins, and I told her she couldn't have it though until I did the video. And what's funny is the night I was working on this for, and I actually finished it on Sunday, she was also making me something. So she came in here with some beautiful stick pins for me for my thing, and I was actually making this for her. So it was kind of funny. So I will show you the stick pins she made me on Friday. So let me see if I can back up a little bit. So that is my, sorry about the turning, this is very hard to hold. So this is my stick pin wall hanging. I hope you guys all like it, and I cannot wait to see all of your projects you make with this kit. So thank you all very much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe, and you can also follow me on my group on Facebook, which is Inspiration Alley, where creativity blooms. You can also follow me on Instagram and Pinterest, and I will put the links in the description box to this video. So I hope you all like it. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day, and I will talk to you all soon.